Why did the most powerful Air Force in the world ground its entire fleet of stealth fighters because of a single rainstorm? Most people assume stealth technology works in all weather conditions. Rain, snow, fog, a $1 trillion investment designed to operate in any environment on the planet. But here is what happened at Holloman Air Force Base in New Mexico in 2007. A routine thunderstorm passed through the base overnight. Nothing unusual, nothing severe. By morning, every single F-22 Raptor on the flight line was grounded. Not from lightning damage, not from flooding, not from wind, from rain. But here is the first secret nobody talks about. The F-22's radar-absorbing coating had absorbed water overnight, literally soaked through like a sponge, a stealth coating designed to defeat the most sophisticated radar systems ever built, defeated by rainwater. Engineers discovered the moisture had penetrated microscopic gaps in the coating surface, changing its radar-absorbing properties completely. A wet F-22 was no longer fully stealth. But here is the second secret. The Air Force had known about moisture sensitivity in stealth coating since the F-117 program, 20 years earlier. The problem was never fully solved, just managed. But here is the detail that changes everything. Every F-22 requires between 30 and 40 hours of maintenance for every single hour it flies. Much of that maintenance involves inspecting and repairing the stealth coating. America's most advanced fighter jet needs more time being fixed on the ground than it ever spends flying in the air.